2024 Panini Mosaic International Football. 3-box. Pick your team. Break number 15. We'll go 1 box at a time. Good luck, everybody. What's up, Cash King? How about a gold wave to start us off already? Okay. Put that over there. And an auto. Pat Willing or Swilling on the rookie scripts. DeForest Buckner, Brendan Rice, and Ennis Rakestraw. Let's go that way. We have a gold to 17 in the chamber. Jim Thompson, Dallas Goddard, Liatulatu, and Tyke Smith. Was he? I have no idea who that is, to be honest. Way before my time. How about another gold wave to 17? Another gold wave to 17. Rich Gannon, Tip Ryman, Renardo Green, and Byron Murphy. Before my time, that Pat Swillingham. Blake Corum, Myles Garrett, Jalen McMillan, and Nate Wiggins. Brandon? What up, Ozzy? Yo, Ozzy, I fell asleep early last night. As soon as the fights ended, bro, I was out for the count. Ben Coates, George Kittle, Ray Davis, Jonathan Brooks. One time. Jared Stidham, Dexter Jackson, Ben Sinnott, Edrin Cooper, and Jaden Daniels. What are the odds that one of those gold waves to 17 is a Jaden or a Bo Nix or a Drake May? Look at Josh Allen, Herman Moore, there's Drake May, and Junior Colson. I don't know. I got the other shift today too. I'm actually gonna go home, and then today I'm gonna go to the movies. I wanna do something other than lay down in bed and watch TV. You know? Roma Dunze, Jared Verse, and Kamari Lassiter. I'm trying to go watch the new Captain America movie. Eat some popcorn. You know what I'm saying? Swilling lost all 6 playoff games he played in. No other player in NFL history has more losses in the postseason without. Oh shit! You just said he was a beast. Drake May, Cole Kmet, Trey Benson, and Cade Stover. You just said this guy was a beast. He was. His teams were not. Fair enough. Tyreek Hill, Kool-Aid McKinstry, and Devin Leary. All right, first gold wave. Michael Pratt, Jatavian Sanders, Amonra. It's a rookie. It's a rookie. For the Chiefs, give me Xavier Worthy. Xavier Worthy to 17. 9 out of 17 on the gold waves going to the Chiefs. Sunshine and Death Ray. Very nice. Telling you guys, this product is a heater. This product is a heater. Alright. Will Shipley. Tyler Guyton. There's Drake May on the silver. Rookie NFL debut. It is the Los Angeles Rams. Puka! Alright. National Pride Puka Nacua. 3 out of 17. We'll take it. We'll take it. It's actually 2 nice gold waves. Didn't expect it. Out of the entire checklist, would not have expected either one of them. Very nice. Drake May. Alright. Next one. Oh, Ozzy, you missed it. I basically stabbed myself with the box cutter earlier. $66 likes, 8 days. Wait, what? Oh yeah, manga is only retail, JP. So it'll be a good chase for when the retail drops for Prism. Jaden Daniels, Hunter Henry, Chase Brown. Okay, Chase Brown, the rookie scripts, or on the scripts, not rookie scripts, but on the scripts. Bengals, Sunshine Death Ray. There's another Jaden Daniels. Does it drop in 8 days? Phillips, JP. Excuse me, Lord. Oh Lord, why are you retracting your message? Jared Goff, Darren Waller, Trey Benson, and Cade Stover. There's another gold wave. Well, why'd you retract? There's another gold wave. 2 gold waves again. Terrion Arnold, there's Drake May, and there's Junior Colson. Trying to keep it a secret, JP? No secrets around here. No secrets. Yes, there's gold in both those packs. Gold to 17 in both those packs. Wow, MPJ. Looks a little left to right, but we'll take it. Rookie silver. Cole Bishop and Fuakada. Terry Kill, Warren Anderson, Deshaun Watson, Jared Verse, and Kamari Lassiter. Young Ho Koo, Julian Love, Joey Bosa, Brendan Rice, and this Rakestraw. Caleb Williams, James Cook, Latu Latu, Tyke Smith. Oh, I gotta get a red, right? Rashi Rice, Bucky Irving, Max Melton. Gotta get a red to 7, right? Or 9. There's JJ McCarthy, Alex Singleton, Marshawn Lloyd, and Xavier Worthy. Jared Goff, Jonathan Allen, Jermaine Burton, Tyler Guyton, and Will Shipley. Let's leave the rookie silver. All right. Jeffrey Simmons, Cooley McKinstry, Devin Leary, Jalen Hurts, Jets, Ozzie. It's not a rookie, but it's a Jets player. It's Garrett Wilson. 4/17, Ozzie. We'll take it. We'll take it. Not Jordan Travis, but we'll take a Garrett Wilson gold wave to 17. We did it. We did it.
She ignored this whole conversation. I love that.
Let's see.
She was having so many guys have video playing.
We got another gold wave, too. Another gold wave. Another gold wave to 17. This looks like the National Pride. Whitehead, Ray Davis, Jonathan Brooks, Dallas Goedert. For the Panthers, Britton Battles, J.C. Horn. 6/17, J.C. Horn. Two very nice golds. Well, one very nice gold, not one. But we have three very nice golds. One more box. One more box. We gotta get a red wave here. Chad Ochocinco, Cameron Kitchens, and Jerzaine Newton. There's an auto in every box, huh? CeeDee Lamb. Sky Moore. Okay. Nice one. Second year Sky Moore. Nice auto there for the Chiefs. Chiefs are killing it this break. Death Ray. Javon Baker, Spencer Rattler, Amarius Mims. Is that Marvin Mims' brother or something? DeAndre Swift, Jalen, what was that, Jalix Hunt, Xavier Legette. Brandon Ayuk, Braylon Allen, and Mason Smith. Marshawn Lloyd, Michael Hall Jr., Dallas Turner, Adisa Isaac. Christian Watson, Ricky Pearshaw, and Isaac Grendo. Keenan Allen, Khalil Mack, Daniel Carlson, Tyler Nubin, and Marvin Harrison Jr. There's a red. Guess the red for 20. Guess the red for 20. Guess the red for 20. Hunter Henry, Andrew Phillips, and Troy Fautanu. Guess the red for 20. Jalen, she said it hurts. Chop Robinson and Troy Franklin. Guess the red for 20. Ryan Thomas, Donald Driver, Jatavian Sanders, and Michael Pratt. Fitting, the last box had a red. Very fitting that the last box had a red. Get your last second entries here. Your last second guesses. I'm putting the line. Let's do this. Here's the line. Here we go. Max Crosby, Joe Alt, Braden Trice. It's a Steeler. I don't think anybody got it. Jalen Warren on the red wave, first on the print out of a 9. Yeah, nobody got that. But it goes to the Steelers and Troy W with the closing magic there, taking the last 2 teams. There we go, guys. Solid break, solid break. Very nice gold waves, I will say as well. Very nice gold waves. Here's the recap. Garrett Wilson, Xavier Worthy, Puka Nakua, Jalen Warren, Sky Moore, J.C. Horn, Chase Brown, Pat Swelling. Hey guys, that was 2024 Panini Mosaic International Team of Football 3-box pick your team break number 15. That's the break. Guys, let's try and get off